Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you just saw there, we got a ton of parts from BMW direct. Let me explain a few of them. In the accident, the very edge of this hose broke off, which is this piece right here. So I have to replace this whole hose, which goes right behind the intake. Now this next piece is the switching valve for the secondary air injection. The old one that was broken is on the left and the new one is on the right. Right here we have the plastics for the rear end, so I can finally start taking apart that rear end and throwing on the new rear end. There we have it, guys. Here's the old frame and here is the new frame. All the new plastics are in. I buttoned everything up, tightened everything down, got the battery, the brake booster in. All I have left to do is to tighten down this rear plastic piece. And then tomorrow we're gonna jump on the front of the bike. Alright, so it's been stuck on this decoding VIN screen for the past 5 minutes now. Anyway, it was worth the shot. I was really curious to see if it would work. I guess I'm gonna have to find another way to connect to this bike. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. I believe that is oil inside of the old broken airbox. And the side of the airbox where the oil is the side that the bike was leaned over on. Now, I don't know if that could mean that there is possible oil in the injectors from oil rising through the engine when it was over on its side. Did pull one of the coil packs out just to check if there's any oily substance on the end of them. The injector is way down in there and I don't have the right tool to take them out. But once we get the ignition and everything figured out, if this engine is hydrolocked, we definitely know where to start. Unfortunately, the new one of these is not in the mail yet, so I can't put this on and put the rest of the airbox on, so we'll move on to something else. All right, we got the majority of the front put together, all torqued down to spec according to the owner's manual. Now we're gonna move on to the front stay bracket. There we go, the wiring on the bike is 100% complete. That harness came in clutch. I'm gonna save the triple tree for later because I'm waiting on that ignition module, but now let's start putting together the front of the bike. Fantastic news, I just received an email saying that the rest of my parts for this BMW from BMW Motorrad are in the mail and being shipped to me as we speak. The front is all put together, everything is lining up perfectly. Those few key components that will be showing up in the mail is what's gonna allow me to put this bike back together, and I can't wait to see if we can get this baby to start. So guys, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.